Guys, I just got myself stunning sound quality coda headphones. Yeah, I just got them today with my birthday money and stuff, so just wanted to give you guys a little interview about it. So here they are right here. And I hadn't tested them out yet, but I'm going to, so... Alright, let's test them really quick. Hold on. Test these bad boys out real quick. Alright. Hold on. Okay, these are pretty decent headphones. Now what you do is, okay. Hold on. Okay. Hold on, guys. Alright. Yeah, these are nice, by the way. I just got them at a really great deal. Alright. So, hold on 1 minute. Alright, hold on just 1 minute. Alright, these are nice. So, just a little quick refund, guys. Alright. 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 I think they go right here, yeah. Alright. Let's test these really quick. Alright, let's test these.